Hello, good morning everyone. We have here varieties of guava. First, we have uh, tropical white. Tropical white. Number two, we have Mexican cream. Mexican cream. Number three, we have China white. Yan, si China white. Number four, we have the sweet white Indonesian. Sweet white Indonesian. Then we have the giant Vietnamese. Giant Vietnamese. Number 6, Costa Rican guava. You have there Costa Rican guava. Parang native guava natin. Then we have the white Indian. Yan, si white Indian guava. Then we have the apple seedless guava. Meron palang apple seedless guava. Then we have number 9, the Egyptian yellow. The Egyptian yellow. Then we have the Allahabad Safida. Allahabad Safida. Number 11, we have Sadar Lucknow. Lucknow 49. Sadar Lucknow 49. Then number 12, we have Hong Kong pink. Ang ganda ng kanyang kulay. Pink na pink. At maliliit na mga buto. Number 13, we have Ruby Supreme. Yan. Pink na pink din ang kanyang kulay ng loob ng bayabas. Ruby Supreme. And the last, we have Allahabad Sorka. Allahabad Sorka. Yan. Okay, so those are the different varieties of guavas. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and share our video. Follow for more. God bless.